And hello again, YouTube. Well, this is a pretty exciting moment. I figure I should document this one. It's 6:18 p.m. Friday, May 6th, 2022, and just walked out of Rob's shop, and I have the keys. I have the key, I should say, singular one key to my Saturn. So it's across the street. Oh shit! I just ran in front of a bus. Go me. Oh. I got all this shit shoved in my armpit. Hey, there's my car right there. Sorry, trying to carry my envelope with my insurance paperwork in it. Oh my God, I just about got reamed on insurance. I don't even want to talk numbers, but they're freaking painful. Oh, but hey, I'm insured. And an empty thing of tea because I recycle. God, this thing is filthy. Check and make sure my plates are still good. Oh, good until January of 2023. I thought my plates were still good, but it's been so long I wasn't 100% sure. Oh yes, that's a nice sound. Still got my VIP taxi ID hanging from the thing. Gosh, let's see if I can remember how this thing works. Still got my phone mount here. I don't remember how this works. I think. There we go. Whoa. All right, that's not working. Hang on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's not gonna work. I just remembered it's gotta be facing the other direction, so the camera's down here. Otherwise, y'all can't see anything. Well, hey, let's get my tunes going. That's a good start.
Increases attacks on Ukraine ahead of that day, and they try to claim victory there. Psaki said the G7 leaders' meeting was purposely.
Still got KTAR on number 1.
And allies. Karen Travers
is the college tour. Streaming now on Amazon Prime.
Music there. I don't remember that ever being programmed on my radio. Yeah. Some hip hop over there, that's always good. Oldies. I promise, pretty sure I put that in there.
3K on your trade, that's 3K on your trade.
There's a CD in here. No, oh, I remember the CD player had stopped working. Wow. Brake pedal's going all the way to the floor. That's not good. Brake pedal feels mushy. And there's a little hole there that didn't used to be there. That's not good. Oh, wow, this is so weird. I haven't drove in so long. Gas. I need to go someplace and clean my dang windows. They're filthy. Holy crap. So yeah, today's been a pretty glorious day in that I got my car back, but I've been pretty shaken up all day. As I mentioned, I had balls. Giant balls. As I mentioned earlier, I had a horrific nightmare and kind of overslept, and insurance costs a small fortune, and there's been a lot of stuff today that's had me shaken up, not the least of which was a memorial somebody made with a spray-painted white bicycle for Jesse, directly across the street from the hideaway where he was killed in a hit-and-run accident, just simply trying to bike home from work. Oh. Anyway, I gotta make sure I don't drive like those people, which seem to be in the majority these days. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up, and I'll shoot another video later, but at this point I think I just need to kind of get accustomed to driving again, because it's been a long time. Anyway, thanks for coming with me with this, and be sure to subscribe and stuff. There'll be more.